guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cook with me. I'm making chicken parmesan for Jake and I tonight. I don't have a particular recipe that I follow, I just kind of wing it. So I'll have all the ingredients and estimated measurements of what I used below. As you can see, I'm just cutting chicken breasts in half and then flattening them. I usually like to use chicken cutlets, but all we had were chicken breasts. And then taking plain breadcrumbs that I got from Aldi, I'm using about 2 cups, enough to cover the plate and enough to be able to cover all of the chicken breasts. And then taking this Italian style cheese blend, it's got mozzarella, parmesan, a whole bunch of different cheeses in it. I'm adding about that much to the breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a teaspoon of basil to the breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to coat each chicken breast in a little bit of flour, some butter, and then the breadcrumb mixture. I usually like to use eggs instead of butter, but we were actually out of eggs, so butter worked just as good. Then moving on to the sauce, I'm going to start by cutting the onion and peeling it, and then I'm going to cut it into slices and use my favorite kitchen gadget ever, my vegetable dicer that we got from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm going to use that to dice the onion. And then taking a jar of marinara sauce, I'm going to use about half the jar and put that into a bowl and then add my diced onions to it. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of minced garlic, as well as a teaspoon of thyme and a teaspoon of basil. And then I'm going to top the chicken with the sauce that I just made, and on top of that I'm going to use the cheese that I used earlier with the breadcrumbs. Once the oven is preheated to 400 degrees, I'm going to put the chicken in for about 30 minutes. And while the chicken was in the oven, I cooked about half a box of noodles. I love making this meal because it's so quick and easy and it tastes delicious. Plus, we only used ingredients that we had at home, so we didn't have to spend any money. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe for weekly videos. Bye!